Good morning children. Today we'll start with chapter 18, that is symmetry. What is meaning of symmetry? A figure has symmetry line if the drawn line divides the figure in equal and same part. That means a figure can be divided into two equal parts is called a symmetry. Now see different types of symmetry. A figure has either no symmetry line, only one symmetry line, two symmetry lines, or many symmetric lines. A figure may be non-symmetry, only one symmetrical line, two symmetrical line, or many symmetrical lines. Now the third point. There is no symmetry line in a scalene triangle. Remember this 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 point. These points are very important. Fill in the blanks, true and false can be asked from this. There is no symmetry line in a scalene triangle. In scalene triangle, we know in scalene triangle, all the three sides are unequal. So there is no symmetry line. Fourth, there is only one line of symmetry in an isosceles triangle. As in isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. There is only and one line of symmetry. A rectangle has two symmetry lines. We know the opposite pair of rectangle are equal. So a rectangle has two symmetric lines. An equilateral triangle has three lines of symmetry. We know in equilateral triangle all the three sides are equal. A circle has infinite number of symmetry. This we will see how it can be proved. Now we will start exercise 18.1. First question. Identify which of the following figures are symmetry. We have to find out which figure are symmetric. Figures are given in your book. I have drawn in the copy. You have to draw in the similar process. Then find the lines of symmetry for this. Just we have seen how many lines of symmetry. 1, 2, 3, infinite. How many lines of symmetry? For the symmetry figure, draw the line of symmetry. We have to draw and show also. And for each figure, write the number of lines of symmetry. How many lines of symmetry we are drawing? For that we have to write it also. This is the first figure. Figure A. What type of figure it is? Square. We can make it symmetry. So we have written symmetry. Line of symmetry. How many lines of symmetry we can draw? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4 line of symmetry. Is it clear? Now equilateral triangle. Just now we have read in equilateral triangle how many line of symmetry are there. First, equilateral triangle. It is symmetrical figure. Line of symmetry how many we have seen? 3. 1, 2, 3. Figure number C. Scalene triangle. It is not a symmetry. We cannot draw a symmetry of a scalene triangle. In the points you have seen also. So line of symmetry is 0. Is it clear? Now the D. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides are there. So its name is pentagon. Regular pentagon or pentagon. Symmetry. We can divide that 5 sides. Line of symmetry is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 line of symmetry in pentagon. Now the next figure is figure number E, that is rectangle. Just now in the points we have seen it is a symmetrical figure. How many lines of symmetry? 2 lines of symmetry. Figure F, parallelogram. It is not a symmetry. Parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel, but the symmetry we cannot draw. Symmetry means straight. If we draw a straight line, then this is greater and this is smaller. This is greater, this is smaller. That's why it cannot be a symmetrical figure. So line of symmetry is 0. Now this 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides are equal. That is called rhombus. It is symmetry because rhombus is a part of a square. And we know the square, it is a symmetrical figure. How many line of symmetry? 2 line of symmetry. 1, 2. 2 line of symmetry. H. How many corners are there? Vertex are there? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is called hexagon, regular hexagon. If 6 sides are there, that is called a regular hexagon. If 5 sides are there, pentagon, regular pentagon. So line of symmetry will be 6. This we can see as a semicircle. Semicircle, it is also symmetry. We can divide that semicircle in line of symmetry. How many? One line of symmetry. This is quarter circle. Means 1/4. Quarter means 1/4. If you draw a circle, this is the one part. This is the second part. This is the third part. And this is the fourth part. That is called a QUARTER. Quarter circle. This symmetry also you can make. That is line of symmetry is 1. Between these two, from the center, you draw a line. That is a quarter circle. Line of symmetry is 1. Figure K, that is circle. It is also symmetry we have seen. Circle, line of symmetry how many? Infinite. In between space is there. You can divide that also. So, line of symmetry is infinite. INFINITE, infinite. L, it is a ellipse. It is a X shape, ellipse. Symmetrical line, 1, 2. Line of symmetry, 2. Now see question number 2. How many axes of symmetry are there in a circle? Question mark. Circle is symmetry related to each diameter. It means by cutting it in any diameter, it will have equal segment. Yes, it will have equal segment. Circle is given and the symmetry has been drawn. How many symmetry? In a circle, there are infinite number of axes of symmetry. We have seen in the points also, infinite number of symmetry we can do it. Is it clear? You do as I have done in copy and shown you.